What's good, everybody? So we are back with another video. Here's the little drift car. I'm gonna update you guys from what we've been doing to it. We've been working on interior. We're trying to pass inspection, so there's a lot of stuff we've been having to do. There was no passenger seat, I believe, when I showed you guys, so I did weld in some custom brackets. The welder kind of sucks, so we just painted it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, the welds kind of suck because my welder's cheap, but it works. This thing is so steady, it's not going nowhere. We did also pick up 2 helmets. Picked up this one and then the one over there. So I did order a new steering wheel also because I do want a deep dish. I don't like that flat face type look, so I did order a new one of those also. The seats are in, the roll cage. I do want to find a mount. I'm thinking of camera positions that you guys might want to be in, so I'm thinking something like this with the camera on wide. So our next step today is to do the rack and pinion. So this thing currently has no power steering. It does have a full 240 front end swap, so it's gonna kind of be a mission. We're gonna have to pull everything out of the front of it. But so the part says it'll be here today after 10, and it is currently 9:45. So let's see what time it gets here. Hopefully get there early. I do have a little box somewhere over here full of parts that I do need to install. So the drift event is March 1st. This is everything I'm going to be installing. This is a new water pump. We're going to be installing this just because I got some adapters, because I did buy some wheels, but they weren't the same lug pattern. So I will be running these. We're obviously going to do an oil change. This is, I forgot what this is called. Fuel pump, I believe, something like that. Oh, this is the oil catch can. Boy, almost fell. This is the oil catch can. We're gonna be doing that. Fuel filter, we're gonna be doing that also, right there. Some spark plugs, and I believe this is for the oil catch can. So, and then the rack and pinion comes in today. Like I said, I have a new steering wheel on the way also. I do have a thermostat on the way too. We're gonna be replacing that now just because. I do also want to put a bigger turbo into this thing. I'm not sure what size to order yet. I did find some little cheap eBay ones, so I might throw one of those in. Yeah, so I do want to throw a bigger turbo into this thing for more power later on, but I'm trying to get the car situated and ready to pass tech. Like right now, one of the problems we have with tech inspection is that battery. I'm gonna need it mounted somewhere, so I'm gonna have to put that somewhere, like in a box or something. We did also get this other helmet, like I was telling you guys, and then we did get cool 5-point, right? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess it's 4. But this thing is pretty cool. It mounts in, so we're gonna be replacing a bunch of things on this car before the drift event. So I'm super excited to start driving. New steering wheel on the way, like I said. So I'm gonna take the front wheels off, get the car jacked up, get it ready to throw the rack and pinion in. I'll probably pick up the camera right as soon as we do get the rack and pinion for the car. That way I can show it to you guys before I install it. Because it is a rack and pinion from a 240 SX, because this car is front end swap, like I said. So I am very excited about that, and let's get straight into it. Alright, so continuing off of the vlog, we did need a battery tie down, as I was saying earlier. So we found some extra pieces of metal. We're building a bracket so this thing does not move at all. We do not want that battery sliding inside of the car while we're drifting. So we're bolting it through here and through here, and then this is basically where the battery is going to sit in, right here. Then we have I don't know where they went, but we have these. It's going to go on the side, and then the nut's going to go on the top, and then it's going to screw the battery down. So they're going to go on the side like this. That way the battery does not move. So I did some little welds with some extra metal we had. So now we are measuring. I don't know what we're measuring. What are we measuring?
Center point for the other side of the battery tie down.
So where we're gonna put this. And I'll show you guys when we're done. Alright chat, so we got it in. The bar, we painted it, bolts here and there. Goes around, holds it on the side right there, which goes up to whatever that's called, and then it straps onto the top. And that is our battery tie down. We didn't need it for inspection at the drift event, so that one should be cool, easy. If we gotta pull off the battery, just lift those, the little things that spin. It'll be easy to be taken out whenever we needed access to it, which I don't think we ever really will unless we gotta replace the battery.
And we probably never will need this length, so we'll probably cut them.
Yeah, it does look super long.
About 2.5 inches. We'll cut it here, cut it there, because no battery is that tall. It's not a Freightliner or nothing like that, so we're gonna cut it down, strip it down. It'll be good to go.
It'll look a lot better if we cut them too. We got a lot of thread for no reason right now. But it came out pretty sick. We paint matched it white. Don't really matter what it looks like, but still a little project we finished today. We are waiting for the rack and pinion too, as I stated earlier. It's supposed to come at 10. It is now almost 3 o'clock, and it said by the latest it'll be here at 2:40, and it's 2:43. So I don't think it's gonna be coming in today, or hopefully later today. That we'll be getting it in by tomorrow, and then I'll just work on it all day tomorrow. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's wait for that part, and yeah, let's see what happens. What's good, everybody? So I was messing with the headlights. Dude, I feel like this car looks so weird with the headlights on. Like, look, little cute car. I kind of messed up. So we did get this. I should have opened it on camera, and I totally forgot I was doing a vlog today. So I'm gonna reopen it. We can slide it out. I just slid all the way out. So here it is. I did take all the plastic and stuff, so it wasn't shipped like this. It's not how it was shipped. But here it is, the new rack and pinion. So it is cool, it comes with lifetime warranty, but I have to send back my old one, which kind of sucks, but it comes with a return label and everything. It says you must send your core back to activate your lifetime warranty. So this is actually from a 240SX, which I am going to be drifting this car, obviously. So it is kind of perfect that it does come with lifetime warranty. So I'm definitely going to do this tomorrow. Today's Saturday or Friday, so I'm going to do this tomorrow, Saturday. The Super Bowl is Sunday, so I don't know if I'm going to work on this car that day, because we might be doing something. But I am so excited that it finally came in, bro. I've been waiting for this thing all day. Actually, for a second, I literally thought that it wasn't coming. But some FedEx driver pulled up hecka quick, and he stopped right here, and he was like, my dad was like, we're waiting for you all day. And he was like, yeah, man. He was like, my coworker's super behind. He was like, I had to come help him out. So at least we got it today. I mean, pretty cool. I was super excited. Tomorrow in the morning, I'm going to tear apart the old one at least. That way we can start it. We did get this battery tie down done. I'm super excited about that. We did really need that. Another thing I'm going to have to do is a fire extinguisher. So we need a fire extinguisher, and it needs to be in reach with the driver. So I'm not sure if I want to put it under the passenger seat, or maybe like somewhere along here to where I could just mount it straight to the roll cage, because I kind of don't want it visible, but I feel like this is visible. So I want to see where I can hide it to where nobody can really see but me. Maybe right here in the middle, something. I gotta figure something out, but I do want to put it somewhere. So power steering hopefully will be done tomorrow, and I'm still gonna do all those other parts that I showed you guys. But I'm super excited for this car. It's coming along. I did drive it here and there like in the last clip I showed you, but once this power steering goes in, we're gonna do a shakedown, boys. We're gonna see how this car drives, test LSD, test everything. I did buy some more wheels. I don't think I showed you guys those. I do want to paint all of them the same color, so when I do throw them on the car, they all look the same, to where that looks pretty cool. I don't want like black and then silver, or black and white, black and chrome, whatever. So I do want to paint all of them the same color. But that's probably the end of today's vlog. I'll do another one tomorrow. I'm gonna try to start vlogging a lot more, because I do want to go back to the YouTube grind. So let's get into it. Thank all of you guys for watching. See you on the next one.